Hey everybody, today we're going to show you, in my opinion, what the biggest problem and kind of biggest pet peeve is with the Toyota Tacoma SR. So this is the base trim package. It comes with more features than you would think, but there's one particular thing that it is really lacking and you would think would be pretty standard, and it's on the windshield wipers. There are only two speeds. That is your slow speed, and there is no pause in how fast, or in between wipes essentially. So I'd call that a medium speed, and then you have fast. That's it. There is no delayed. So when you have just like a drizzle or a light rain, when you really only need to wipe the window every few seconds, the wipers are pretty much just wiping on a dry surface. And if you have some worn wipers or it's getting about time to change them, that's probably going to be pretty noisy. Also, most vehicles, whenever you use the window washing sequence, the wipers automatically start up. But in the Toyota Tacoma SR, you have to manually turn on the wipers after you spray the wiper fluid or washer fluid. But overall, that is something that can be replaced. You can replace the part to change that and change that feature. I'm going to post a link in the description for that. But that's probably my biggest pet peeve with the Toyota Tacoma SR. For a vehicle that comes with radar cruise control, standard, I think that's a pretty big lacking item there. Honestly, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it can get pretty bothersome. But like I said, I'm gonna post a link to a fix for that, and hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.